The Humane Society for Southwest Washington is dedicated to fostering a community where all living creatures are treated with compassion and respect. We look to a future where all companion animals will live in a loving and forever home. Unfortunately, thousands of animals in our community have been displaced, and the Humane Society works diligently to care for these animals. But with cramped quarters and a deteriorating building, our work is more difficult than it needs to be. The poor design and increasingly dilapidated state of our building creates a breeding ground for disease. Without proper ventilation systems and isolation areas, disease is easily spread. New management at the Humane Society is enforcing a no need to kill mandate, and we work tirelessly to transfer as many animals as possible to foster homes and out to more than 75 local animal welfare organizations. We simply cannot keep up with the intake numbers in our current facility. The shelter receives more than 13,000 animals every year. In summer months, it is not uncommon to receive 80 animals a day for weeks on end. Although our euthanasia rates are down 14% from last year, and our transfer numbers are up 155%, animals continue to get sick in these conditions. When patrons visit our shelter to find a companion, they are greeted by our cramped adoption area. Lack of privacy makes the adoption process uncomfortable as patrons discuss personal concerns and finances in public. Families are able to see our animals through the kennels, but we do not have space for a get acquainted area. Most shelters provide an area for families to meet and get to know the animals before they take them home. This gives the animal a quiet place to let their personality come through. The space provides a more comfortable place for families to make the right decision. Our shelter is also missing a space for humane education and behavior training classes. The community looks to us as a source for information, and our vision cannot come true without a successful education program. But without space to teach kids and adults, our education program suffers. A new building will not only provide more space for the animals, but a cleaner and healthier environment. A better design will free staff from spending 80% of their time cleaning and allow them time to interact with the animals, providing them a more enriching stay, but also helping families in the adoption process because staff will know more about each animal. Get acquainted rooms will help ensure the right match, while a more private and functional adoption area will allow the adoption process to be the enjoyable experience it should be. Our education program will flourish with a designated space, and the Humane Society will become a reliable resource for the community. The Humane Society should be a fun place to visit, a place full of hope and celebration. Help us make this dream a reality. Help us unleash the possibilities.